Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, March 12th, and this is our analysis of the US dollar yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the US dollar yen, we definitely got a pretty significant move down, but it has not made an engulfing move to the downside yet. I still think there is a possibility that all of these yen pairs could just keep on going up and taking out these previous highs, like I've been talking about for several weeks now. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, it does kind of look like on the weekly that this could be an A, this could be a B, and it actually could just keep going down for wave C, which I think is very possible before it does end up continuing up. But when the trend is up on the higher time frames, I mean, you have to be careful assuming that something is going to go down, making ABC, because sometimes it just keeps on going up. Now, we do have CPI interest rate coming out today for the US dollar, which is definitely going to affect the dollar pairs. Looking at the US dollar index, especially for reference, the US dollar FXCM index, I do think that the dollar is very likely to push down today, which tells me there's a pretty good chance that this is going to push down too, and it probably is going to make that wave C. I would definitely be looking for shorts as of right now, unless this made like some sort of a double bottom and a break of structure. If it did that, then I would start looking for longs again. And we do have to remember that the weekly and monthly is still in an uptrend, so it definitely could at some point just keep on trending up. But it seems more likely to me that it's going to continue to make lower lows, lower highs to make that wave C, like I was showing on the weekly time frame. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, you can definitely see a nice five-way pattern here. Kind of looks like it actually may be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 3, and this actually may be a wave 4. Kind of seems to me like it might actually push down again for a wave 5. This would be a 1, this would be a 2, 3, 4, and 5. The US dollar also looks like it needs to make a 4 and a 5, so if it does make that double bottom, then it goes up and breaks structure. At that point, I would definitely become a buyer again for the continuation of the uptrend. On the other hand, if it continues to go down, making lower lows, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, then I will definitely continue to look for shorts, which I am looking for shorts right now anyways. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, we are at the Fibonacci level. We do have news coming out today. If it does go down, if it does break structure, I would take it as a short. But then if it goes down, takes out this low and then turns back up, obviously you want to get out of that short very quickly at that point. If it does do that and then it goes up and breaks structure, I would stop looking for shorts and I would start looking for longs again. On the other hand, if it just keeps on going down, even if it does go up, if it makes another lower high, keeps on trending down, then I will just continue to look for shorts at the end of every single pullback that I see for the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.